ChatGPT is a language model designed to engage in conversation with humans. It is trained to generate responses based on the input it receives and can simulate human-like conversations. Here are some benefits of ChatGPT. Improved customer service. ChatGPT can be integrated into customer service systems to provide instant support to customers. It can answer frequently asked questions, provide troubleshooting tips, and direct customers to the appropriate resources, leading to improved customer satisfaction. Personalization. ChatGPT can be trained to recognize and respond to individual user preferences and behavior, providing personalized recommendations and assistance. Efficiency. ChatGPT can handle multiple conversations simultaneously, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses that receive a high volume of inquiries. 24/7 availability. ChatGPT can be programmed to operate 24/7, providing customers with instant support at any time of the day or night. Language support. ChatGPT can understand and respond in multiple languages, making it a valuable tool for businesses with a global customer base. Training and education. ChatGPT can be used to train employees or provide educational resources to customers. It can answer questions, provide tutorials, and offer guidance in real time. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can benefit businesses and individuals in a variety of ways. Its ability to engage in human-like conversations, combined with its efficiency and 24/7 availability, make it an attractive solution for businesses looking to improve their customer service capabilities.